Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Side Quests. I'm Evan, and today we're tackling one of the most fundamental questions in the crypto world. What the heck is cryptocurrency? Let's break it down step by step. Cryptocurrency is essentially a type of digital or virtual money. Unlike the dollars or euros or whatever that you use every day, cryptocurrencies are not physical. They exist only in the digital realm. But what sets them apart from traditional money? Traditional money, or fiat currency, is issued and regulated by governments and banks. It's tangible, you can hold it, you can feel it, you can spend it, and it's backed by the economic power of the issuing government, if you trust them. But cryptocurrency operates quite differently. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, which means that they are not controlled by any single entity, like a bank or a government. Instead, they rely on a technology called blockchain to manage transactions and control the creation of new units. My cat right now is very interested in blockchain. Sorry, he's moving my camera. It's all good. So, what is blockchain? Think of it as a digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is grouped into a block, and these blocks are linked together into a chain in chronological order. This ledger is maintained by a network of computers called nodes that work together to verify and record transactions. This decentralized nature makes cryptocurrency resistant to fraud and tampering. Since there's no central authority, the system relies on cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and ensure the integrity of the data. Let's take a look at some well-known examples. Bitcoin was created by an anonymous person or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto and was introduced to the world in 2009. Many people speculate that Satoshi Nakamoto could possibly be, there's many theories, it could be Elon Musk, could be the CIA, could be aliens. I mean, if you do a little research and go down the rabbit hole, you'll see what I mean on that last one. It's crazy, this technology. It's definitely going to be the future. Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency and is often referred to as digital gold. Bitcoin's primary use is as a store of value and a means of transferring money across borders without the need for banks or intermediaries. This could potentially be a good thing in countries that have governments that have gone a little rogue. Not going to throw any countries out there, but you can do your own homework on that one. Then we have Ethereum. It was launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum also functions as a cryptocurrency. Its standout feature is its ability to support what's called smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts. I know this sounds complicated. It's not super important for beginners, but it's just for the background. These are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code, allowing for automatic and transparent execution of agreements. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't fully understand it. I don't think a lot of people do. These smart contracts are a big part of what makes Ethereum unique. They enable developers to build decentralized applications, or dApps, that run on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, this can go beyond just simple financial transactions, enabling a wide range of uses from voting systems to decentralized finance, which is basically any sort of finance in the crypto world. Lending, borrowing, that type of thing. We will cover decentralized finance, or DeFi, in another video. So, to sum it up, cryptocurrency is digital money that uses blockchain technology to operate independently of traditional financial systems. It offers a new way of transferring and managing value with benefits such as decentralization, security, and transparency. Next time, we'll delve deeper into why Bitcoin is considered to be the leader of the crypto world and what sets it apart from the other cryptocurrencies. We'll explore its origins, its role in the market, and why often it's considered the benchmark for other digital currencies. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest episodes. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the world of cryptocurrency. See you in the next episode of Crypto Side Quests.